How well do you know the classic cars of the 1970s? Here's an exciting challenge for you. Try naming 20 models from that unforgettable era. The faster you answer, the more points you'll score. Get it right before seeing any options and earn 5 points. Need a hint by looking at choices? You'll still get 3 points. Think you can rise to this challenge? Let's see what you've got. Number 1. Identify this American classic. A. 1971 Chrysler New Yorker. B. 1976 Pontiac Grand Prix. C. 1970 Ford Thunderbird. D. 1972 Dodge Charger SC. The right answer is D. 1972 Dodge Charger SE. Number 2. The options are A. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. B. 1971 Ford Torino Cobra. C. 1973 Pontiac GTO. D. 1974 AMC Javelin. The right answer is B. 1971 Ford Torino Cobra. Number 3. This one is A. 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. B. 1976 Ford Gran Torino. C. 1971 Plymouth Barracuda. D. 1974 Oldsmobile Cutlass. The correct answer is A. 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. Number 4. Identify this American classic. A. 1973 Buick Riviera. B. 1970 Mercury Cyclone Spoiler. C. 1972 Chevrolet El Camino. D. 1976 Lincoln Continental Mark IV. The right answer is C. 1972 Chevrolet El Camino. Number 5. This one is A. 1975 Cadillac Eldorado. B. 1977 Dodge Monaco. C. 1979 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. D. 1970 AMC Rebel Machine. The right answer is D. 1970 AMC Rebel Machine. Number 6. Name this legendary American classic. A. 1970 Chevrolet Nova SS. B. 1979 Dodge Little Red Express Truck. C. 1972 AMC Gremlin. D. 1974 Ford F100 Ranger XLT. The right answer is B. 1979 Dodge Little Red Express Truck. Number 7. Can you guess the name of this car? A. 1977 Ford Falcon. B. 1971 Holden Monaro GTS. C. 1974 Pontiac Le Mans. D. 1970 Chevrolet Impala. The right answer is B. 1971 Holden Monaro GTS. Number 8. This one is A. 1975 Ford F-150. B. 1974 International Harvester Scout II. C. 1976 Chevrolet Blazer K5. D. 1971 GMC Sierra Grand 1500. The correct answer is C. 1976 Chevrolet Blazer K5. Number 9. The options are A. 1973 Plymouth Roadrunner. B. 1977 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. C. 1972 Ford Maverick Grabber. D. 1970 Buick GSX. The correct answer is D. 1970 Buick GSX. Number 10. Identify this classic. A. 1975 Pontiac Astra. B. 1971 Mercury Cougar XR7. C. 1974 AMC Hornet X. D. 1977 Chevrolet Monza Spyder. The right answer is A. 1975 Pontiac Astra. Number 11. This one is A. 1974 Datsun 240Z. B. 1975 Ford Falcon XB GT. C. 1973 Chevrolet Vega GT. D. 1979 Plymouth Horizon. The right answer is B. 1975 Ford Falcon XB GT. Number 12. Which classic car is this? A. 1972 Ferrari Dino 246 GT. B. 1976 Pontiac Firebird Formula 400. C. 1973 AMC Matador Coupe. D. 1970 Dodge Super Bee. The right answer is A. 1972 Ferrari Dino 246 GT. Number 13. This one is A. 1973 Mercury Montego GT. B. 1974 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super 10. C. 1975 Cadillac Seville. D. 1977 Dodge Warlock. The right answer is D. 1977 Dodge Warlock. Number 14. This one is A. 1972 Chevrolet CK10 Pickup. B. 1974 Ford Falcon XB GT Coupe. C. 1976 AMC Pacer. D. 1973 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. correct answer is A, 1972 Chevrolet CK10 pickup. Number 15. Can you guess the name of this car? A, 1971 Lincoln Continental. B, 1970 Mercury Marquis. C, 1974 Pontiac Catalina. D, 1979 Chrysler Newport. The right answer is B, 1970 Mercury Marquis. Number 16. The options are A, 1972 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. B, 1975 Chevrolet Malibu. C, 1973 Dodge Dart Swinger. D, 1977 Chrysler Cordoba. The right answer is A, 1972 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Number 17. Identify this car. A, 1974 Bricklin SV1. B, 1972 Oldsmobile 442. C, 1973 Plymouth Duster. D, 1976 Dodge Aspen RT. The correct answer is A, 1974 Bricklin SV1. Number 18. This one is A, 1973 Chevrolet Impala. B, 1979 Chrysler 300. C, 1977 Ford LTD2. D, 1975 Dodge Monaco. The right answer is C, 1977 Ford LTD2. Number 19. Name this classic beauty. A, 1978 Pontiac Grand Am. B, 1974 Chevrolet Laguna S3. C, 1971 Ford Mustang Mach 1. D, 1973 AMC Ambassador Bruggen. The right answer is C, 1971 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Number 20. This one is A, 1971 Plymouth GTX. B, 1975 Chevrolet Nova SS. C, 1979 Dodge St. Regis. D, 1974 Ford Pinto. The right answer is A, 1971 Plymouth GTX. We'd love to hear about your experience. Please leave a comment and share your score with us. Make sure you don't miss our next fun quiz. Subscribe to our channel today.